In this video, we'll show you how to build tens to hundreds of landing pages in the time it takes to build one by using collections. A collection is a set of landing pages that use a single custom template and a built-in connected content table to instantly generate, update, and manage personalized pages at scale. To get started, navigate to the Collections page, click Create Collection, then choose any page published to your custom domain or our testing subdomain. For the most powerful experience, we recommend choosing a page with fluid grid blocks or adding them, so your layout automatically adapts to dynamic content, regardless of length. Once picked, your page will be duplicated and serve as the starting point for your template. Your original page will remain published and unedited. For your template, just start adding text and image placeholders. In this example, let's make a dynamic hero to create audience-specific pages. You could also create industry-specific pages, product-specific pages, geo-specific pages, and more. You can even use the same placeholder in multiple places on your page. It's really up to you and your personalization needs. Let's now go into the content table for our audience targeting example. Here you'll first want to set up your default page. You can edit your default base URL, which every collection page will share. Then input the field values for your default page. Any collection page without custom values will also show these. Now create your collection pages in seconds by simply clicking Add Collection Page and editing or inputting the field values in each row. Preview each and see how your fluid grid blocks flawlessly auto-adjust to your dynamic content. The final step is to publish your collection pages, either all at once or with custom selections. The same applies for updating and unpublishing pages. It's never been easier to achieve personalization at scale and without difficulties. Visit Instapage.com to get your 14-day free trial and start using collections today.